Mark Bates Limited are a family-run insurance broking company that mainly focuses on the mobility sector, delivering on our promises for over 25 years. We are an all-in-one company based in Lincolnshire with a holistic approach to insurance. That's all well and good, but what does this actually mean for you? Well, what this means for you, in short, is if you ever have any queries regarding insurance, Mark Bates will have the answer, with in-house insurance policy creation, claims handling, IT, and customer service. You can be sure that whoever's on the other end of the line is knowledgeable about what you need to discuss. Let's be honest, nobody likes a robotic phone tree that goes on for hours and hours without any resolve. Our approach allows you, the customer, to get in touch with the right person in an efficient way, ultimately saving you a lot of time. Not only can you get in touch to speak with a friendly and knowledgeable customer service agent over the phone, but Mark Bates Limited customers can also manage their insurance policies online using our website at markbatesltd.com. As a customer, you will also receive rewards such as discounts at certain retailers and even gain access to exclusive learning courses. But most importantly, you can have peace of mind knowing that our insurance policies will have you covered, should worst come to worst. Feel free to contact us on 01476 591104 or head on over to our website at markbatesltd.com. Thanks for watching.